Good morning everyone. Today topic is differentiation. I have written here differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Okay, and we have done differentiation of a function with respect to x or with respect to y, but this is the slightly changed differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Suppose I take a problem. Differentiate cos x with respect to sin x. Then how will you write? We write d upon d sin x of cos x. Okay, as we know y with respect to x, so how will you write? D upon dx of y. Alright, or you can write dy upon dx, isn't it? So here we are doing differentiation of cos x with respect to sin x, function with respect to another function. Okay, understand? So now I have written d upon d sin x of cos x, or d, properly write d cos x upon d sin x. Alright, and can we do like this one, d upon d cos x, upon d sin x, divide by dx to numerator as well as denominator. Numerator divide by dx and denominator also, there is no change. Okay, and now the same thing, d cos x upon d sin x, d cos x upon d sin this way, and divide by dx and dx. And this is a separate problem, differentiation of cos x with respect to x and differentiation of a sin x with respect to x. And now we know very well how to differentiate this one. Cos x with respect to sin x, that is minus sin x upon sin x with respect to cos x, it is cos x. What is this? This is minus tan x. So what is this? Is d cos x upon d sin x. Understand? I hope you understand this solution. Okay. Next one is suppose differentiate x cube with respect to x5, I suppose. So now how to write? D x cube with respect to dx5. Okay, as we have done dy upon dx, and then dx cube upon dx5, and what will you do? Yes, divide by dx to numerator as well as denominator. Alright, and now this is, what is this? Differentiation of x cube with respect to x. This is differentiation of x5 with respect to x. Alright, and now you can write 3 upon 5, cancel. Okay, this is the solution of this problem. Copy down. Now you take another problem. Suppose differentiation of ex with respect to tan x. Okay, then how to write? Dex upon d tan x. Is that clear? And now you convert with respect to x, d ex upon dx upon d. Alright? And now what is the differentiation of this one? Ex into differentiation ex, and 10x differentiation is sec square x. Now this is the solution of okay. So now this is the method differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Okay, and today you try okay homework, differentiation of log x with respect to x3, differentiation of cot x with respect to sin x, differentiation of cosec x with respect to cosec x, differentiation of log x with respect to e3x. Okay, differentiation of x power x with respect to x power sin x. I hope you understood this method, differentiation of a function with respect to another function, and you will try these 5 problems in homework. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you, have a nice day.